Hello, this is John Williams. I saw your advertisement for real estate services, and I'm interested in learning more about your offerings.
Hi, John. I'm Kate Anderson, and I'm delighted to assist you. What specifically are you looking for in a property, and how can I help you today?
Well, Kate, I'm in the market for a new home. I'm wondering if you could tell me a bit more about your services and the properties you have listed.
Of course, John. We specialize in residential properties and have a diverse range of listings that cater to various preferences and budgets. Are you looking for something specific, like a particular neighborhood or type of property?
I'm open to different neighborhoods, but I'd prefer a house with at least 3 bedrooms and a backyard. What do you have available that might fit that criteria?
Great choice. We have several listings that match your preferences. There's a charming 3-bedroom house in the Oak Ridge neighborhood that comes with a spacious backyard. Another option is a modern townhouse in the Maplewood area. The Maplewood property features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a cozy backyard. It's listed at $475,000. Would you like more details on either of these?
Both options sound interesting. Can you provide more information on the houses and their pricing?
Certainly, John. The Oak Ridge property is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a recently renovated kitchen and a beautiful backyard. It's listed at $450,000. The Maplewood property, as I mentioned, is a modern townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a cozy backyard. It's listed at $475,000. I can send you additional photos and schedule viewings at your convenience.
That sounds promising. Regarding the Oak Ridge property, can you tell me more about the neighborhood? What amenities are nearby?
Absolutely, John. Oak Ridge is a family-friendly neighborhood with excellent schools and parks. There's a shopping center within walking distance, and the community is known for its safety and sense of community. The property itself is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac, providing a peaceful living environment.
That's great to hear. And what about the Maplewood area? What can you tell me about the neighborhood there?
Maplewood is known for its vibrant atmosphere and diverse community. The townhouse is located near a bustling downtown area with various shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. The neighborhood also offers good schools and parks, making it a great choice for families. The property is in a well-maintained community with a homeowners association that takes care of common areas.
Thanks for providing that information, Kate. It's helpful to know more about the neighborhoods. Now, regarding the financing options, do you have any preferred lenders or recommendations for mortgage brokers?
Certainly, John. I work closely with a few reputable mortgage brokers in the area who can assist you in finding the best financing options. I'll provide you with their contact information so you can explore your choices and get pre-approved.
Perfect. Kate, I appreciate that. Before we conclude, is there anything else I should know about the properties or the buying process?
One important thing to note is that both properties have recently undergone inspections, and I can share the reports with you. This can give you a comprehensive understanding of the condition of each home. Additionally, I'll send you a detailed breakdown of the buying process and what to expect at each stage.
That sounds thorough, Kate. I appreciate your attention to detail. Please send over the inspection reports and any additional information about the buying process. I'm excited about the potential of these properties.
Absolutely, John. I'll send everything over shortly. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with, feel free to reach out. I'm here to make this process as smooth as possible for you.
Thank you, Kate. I look forward to receiving the information and moving forward with the viewings. Have a great day.
You too, John. I'll be in touch soon.